Okay, so today we are back to create another epic HEROQUEST craft. I'm here at Josh's workshop and he has something really cool in store. What have you designed?
So right here I have designed for portable organizer.
Ooh, sounds cool.
Yeah, so not only does the top open, but also has storage in the sides for extra miniatures.
Looks amazing. Let's get started. I can't wait to see how this is going to turn out.
Definitely.
All right, Josh, so you have all your pieces ready. What's the next step?
Just take all these pieces I just cut and assemble them, which is my favorite part.
Cool. Okay, you'll make the tiny boxes to go into the organizer.
Yes.
Nice. All right, while you do that, I'm going to go paint my miniatures. Hey Josh, my miniatures are ready and painted. And here is the fabric that you asked for.
Fantastic. So now we're done using the laser. We have our cut acrylic sheet. And we're going to assemble this using super glue, and after that we'll have nice acrylic sheet card holders. Okay, so it's been 12 hours. The foam has expanded around the miniatures inside. So we'll get to see how it turns out. Cut it open. And yeah, this is the first time I've tried this, so I can't wait to see it.
Wow, Josh, this organizer came out so good. The miniatures look so good in the red velvet, don't you think?
Yeah, definitely. It was a lot of fun to make this.
Yeah, I know. It was super cool, and I can't wait to take it to our next HeroQuest game. Good job.
Thanks.
What do you guys think that we should make next time? See ya!